Hey friends, who's hungry? Looking for the ultimate holiday dessert? This white chocolate cranberry bread pudding, drizzled with warm rum crème anglaise, is rich, cozy, and absolutely unforgettable. First, let's make the bread pudding. In a large mixing bowl, measure 1 12-ounce bag of white chocolate chips, 3/4 cup of whole cranberry sauce, 3/4 cup of sugar, 4 lightly beaten eggs, 1 cup of milk, and 1 cup of heavy cream. Mix until everything is well blended. Add 10 cups of cubed bread and stir until every piece is soaked. Let the bread mixture sit in the refrigerator for at least an hour or overnight if you have the time, so the bread can really absorb all that creamy custard. When you're ready to bake, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly coat a 9x13 by 2-inch baking dish with non-stick cooking spray. Pour the bread mixture into the dish and spread it evenly. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of sugar over the top for a little crunch and sparkle. Bake for 1 to 1.5 hours until the top is golden brown and the center is set but still soft and custardy. Now to make the Rum Crème Anglaise. In a medium saucepan, combine 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3/4 cups of sugar, and 2 cups of heavy cream. Warm the liquid over medium heat until it starts to gently simmer, but don't let it boil. When it reaches about 145 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer, take it off the heat. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 large egg yolks. Slowly pour in about half of the hot cream mixture while whisking constantly. This keeps the eggs from scrambling once they are added to the warm cream. Once the egg yolks are warmed up, pour everything back into the saucepan. Cook over low heat, stirring constantly until the sauce thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon, around 170 to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the sauce from the heat and stir in the rum or rum extract to taste. Strain the sauce through a fine mesh sieve to remove any solids that may have formed. Let the crème anglaise cool. It'll thicken a bit more as it sits. Then drizzle it over your warm bread pudding and enjoy. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.